Hey guys, good folks over at llano sent me over these Canon camera batteries. These are Canon. They come in all different kinds of flavors, but I needed the Canon one for my EOS R. These are the Aurora series. Have your little user guide here. This is the 2-pack of our USB. It should be USB-A to USB-C cords here. Charge these batteries up. That's the cool thing about these particular batteries is they have a USB-C port on them. So you don't necessarily need a charger. You can charge them in a charging box, block, whatever you want to call it, but you can also charge them up with the USB-C cord, and it plugs in right there. So another cool thing about these is they have a little button on here where you can touch it and it'll tell you how much voltage. If I put it the right way, can y'all see that? Let me scoot this up. Let me bring this up a little closer. You touch that, and it will tell you how much charge you have on those batteries. Now these are 2600 milliamps. I've got the regular Canon battery. Let me show you here. Just for comparison, you can compare those two. If you didn't know which one was which, could you tell me? Some of you probably know the blue on the bottom there. But if you didn't know, would you know? That is the question. They look identical. Now the Canon battery that came with my camera is 1865 milliamps. These are 2600 milliamps. So it stands to reason they're going to last a little longer than your factory Canon battery, at least on this particular model. Now this one is the Canon LP-E6 because it's the R. The updated one has a different letter after that, but they're the same size batteries and everything works the same, works great. I really like the fact that you can click right there and it tells you how much juice you got in there, and you can charge it in a charging box or you can charge it just with the USB cord. And a lot of times when you're out in the field, you may have a USB outlet in your car or something, but you forgot your charging block, and that's where that would really come in handy. Because we all know, you get out there, especially shooting 4K video, it's going to suck up the battery juice, and this ought to last a little longer. Like I said, this is the 2-pack, so no complaints whatsoever. I should be set. So definitely a thumbs up. I like these. If you'd like to get yourself some of these, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any kind of value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.